Hey everyone, this is Unalia, and I am here again on the beginnings of my series. Today is January 17th, and my birds are going absolutely nuts because I'm talking. How have y'all been? I am up here stuck on the roof trying to finish up this roof, and it's been slow going. This house has taken me a couple of days to do. Just because of what's been going on lately. So, um, yeah, guys. Hopefully y'all are all good. I am, oh my god, I have a creeper in the house. There's a creeper in the house. Great. There is a spider in the house. Please don't crawl up here. Is he up here? Anyways, guys, hopefully y'all have missed the series. I kind of took a little bit of break. Not intentionally, just because of a lot of things are happening right now. Mitch's car broke down. I have been busy with the apartment. It snowed yesterday. Also, my video rendering thing that I use is messing up really badly. It'll crash every time I try to render a video. So that's a thing now. That's a thing that I'm having to deal with also. So I'm not too happy with it. So yeah. How the heck do I want to do this? I can't do it right now. Oh gosh. I legitly have nothing else to do the ceiling with because I need things to build with. Great. Is there anything up there? No. Good. Well, I lied. There's a zombie up there. Great. I don't know how I'm going to get down from here without taking damage. Actually, before I break that, I should make another shovel. Not that. This. And then I need to make another pickaxe and an axe. So, pickaxe and an axe. Pretty sure no one can. Actually, they can't get up here. Oh my god. Yeah, you can have that. Have that. Guys, I have been also working on my texture pack that I've been wanting to do. So that's a thing. Where are you? Ah! No! I need to die. No, I don't need to die. I just. Ah! Okay, I need to invest in doors. I need to invest in doors. Very much so. Very much so. I need to invest in some doors. Ow! Ow! Oh my god. Oh my god. Just. No. No, 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 no. Whatever's here. Whatever's there. Go away. Oh! Okay. Oh. Oh, God. Woo! That was scary. That was scary. A lot scary. Alright. You... Oh, it still works! I lost a sword. Anyways, guys, welcome back. I am sorry about this. This is chaos in a barrel. This is what I have to deal with. What I gotta deal with. Alright, put this here, put that there, put this here. Alright, we gotta go back to home. And, get some more cobble. I hate spiders! They always mess my day up, man. I really shouldn't have gotten into a fight with a spider, but whatever. It's all fine. Oh. I have... Wow, I'm lagging right now. I don't know why. Dang it! I knew it. Oh, I knew it. Oh, no. You piece of crap! Come here. No! Go away. Dang it, dang it, dang it. I'm gonna have to fix this. Later. Later. I don't have really much time to fix anything right now. I gotta do some work. And they came so far! Oh, man. Anyways, as I'm talking about, I'm everywhere, guys. I'm so sorry. I need to fill that place with slabs. Anyways, I am working on a texture pack for this series, I suppose. But, it's like a, what is it? It's like I had the word and now I can't think of it. Oh my gosh. What is it? It's a not minimalistic. It's well, it's like that kind of. I guess you could say. Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Y'all are way too loud. Shut up. Thank you. And you, shut up. Thank you. Anyways, I say a lot. It's an interesting texture pack, I will tell you that. It's very, it's like the one color, and then it has like a few other colors, but it's just one block with a line around it, and yeah, you know what it is. If you saw it, you know what I was talking about when I was trying to explain this, and I forgot the word, so I'm terribly sorry. Okay, anyways, so I made the well. I don't know if y'all saw that last time or not. Cannot wait for upside down slabs. I mean stairs. Stairs. Can't wait for upside down stairs. Oh, that's not bad, right? Alright, let's head to the other house, to the other base. I did some more mining, and I got about 12 diamonds from mining, so I'm doing pretty good on diamonds right now. I'm not going to be using any because I'm still trying to hoard them for my many ideas that I have for said diamonds. I need to get a diamond pickaxe. Actually, I do have a diamond pickaxe. I just need to use it to get some obsidian. I have not made obsidian yet. Give me your wool, because I need your wool. Excuse me. I've been out in the cold dealing with ice and snow while taking my boyfriend to work. Is there anything in here? No? Alright, clean this out. Yep. Okay, good. There's just a stick in there. Sad. Alright, so, I have been mining a lot. Oh, Sprite, yay. And it's been a bit tedious, the mines and such. Got a lot of redstone, good bit of redstone. So yeah. All right. I usually make a couple of stacks of slabs when I'm down here, and then I bring them back to the house and use them all up. Excuse me. So this is what I've been doing for a couple of days straight. Not really a couple of days, but you know, just a few days. I need to go mining again because I'm getting low on cobblestone again. Dang it. This stuff will take everything you have and use it up. Like, you have to mine so much of this stuff. It's not even, like, what the fuck? I've literally been mining so much, but I have already gone through most of my cobble just from slabs alone. Like, I've only gotten 2 rows now of 64. That's pretty bad. I don't like being low on cobblestone. Whereas, if you were building this stuff in survival, in the newer Minecraft, you wouldn't be low on cobble at all. Like, holy crap, you would have plenty of cobble and more, and even more. All right, so yeah. I think that's all. Yeah, that's all. I don't know why I was looking down those. Oh, hey, iron. Yes, iron. Thank you. Yeah, iron. Alright. Take that back with me. So, we can't tame animals. We can't do much of anything right now. All we can do is explore and build. And I've been building a lot, and that's what I'm mainly going to be doing as of late. I've been wanting to... I'm sorry, guys, for my birds. I've been wanting to, I've been mining the sand out also. All of the sand. And, just taking it down. Just basically getting glass for my builds. And this is how I've been doing it. It's very slow and tedious, but it's been going. I think I made that cotton candy house way too big, to be honest. If I have to be honest with y'all. I really did make it too big. I gotta live with the consequences. I gotta build it anyways. Or, whoops. I could scale it down. I could mine it away when the half slabs are 2 at a time and not 1 at a time, which I might end up doing. Why is this? Oh, Jesus! Scared me to death. So, yeah, that is all I've been doing lately, is just kind of, building and going around and hardly doing anything on this world because I get sidetracked with things and because I don't like how certain things look. And I need to finish these stairs. I haven't finished these stairs. It's really hard being me, I swear. Uh, I need to finish up this courtyard here. It hasn't been done. I haven't done that yet. I need to do that. Is there any room in here? There is no room in here. Oh, man. I need to build the storage room. I need to build the storage room and fast. Oh, my gosh. I need the storage room pronto. Where's my iron? Where's my iron? Is it down here? Ah, yes. Here we go. So, oh, wait, what? That's not right. I had 8 diamonds on me last time. What the heck? Where did they go? Did I? No, I didn't make them into anything. Hang on. Uh-oh, guys. We're missing 8 diamonds. Or several, actually. They might be at the other base. Hang on, let me go at that other house. Oh, you know what? I bet you anything. I took them with me when I was building cotton candy. The cotton candy house. I bet you anything they're at that house. They're not here. They're at that house over there. I know exactly where they are. Alright. While the sun is going down, I'm going to chop this tree down. Okay. Is there going to be a sapling that falls immediately? Probably not. Okay. So, to prevent anything from happening like last time, we're going to build some doors. Build ourselves some doors. Okay. And then gonna have one block left over. That's fine. There we go. Now, we are prepared. Be prepared. Alright. I need a furnace to cook some of this meat up, so let's do that. I can't do that because I don't have any cobble. Oh, crap. Okay, well, I guess I should have saved some cobble for that. I'm not thinking. No, I'm not thinking at all. Alright. So, I was watching a show yesterday, and they were digging a cave out. If y'all ever have seen Aqua Chigger, if anyone has, I don't know if anyone has, but anyways, so Aqua Chigger was, he's starting to wanting to like dig out this huge cave that he found, and it's so cool. Oh my gosh, it's really cool how he decided to do certain things. Oh no! Why are y'all in my house? Gosh dang it! I don't want y'all there. Please don't shoot me. Though you very well could. But anyways, so Aqua Chigger is there. He was digging it out with a friend, and he decided that they needed a winch to go the rest of the way, which is probably going to have to happen because there's just a lot of large rocks, and you can get a lot more things done with a huge winch than you can with just yourself. So, okay, this is gonna have to go. Okay, so that's 1, 2. Okay. And then we put the dirt back on top of this. But we'll have to do that later. Dang it! I'm trying to be productive, and I can't do it because I keep messing up on the thing. So. Okay. The building on this takes so much time. Takes so much time to think, to plan, everything. It's ridiculous. But yeah, I don't build small things. I mean, I do build small things when I actually test myself. But normally, I don't really build small things because I don't like small things. I don't like having cramped spaces. That's why. But anyways, while they were in the cave, a bell went off. And you can literally hear it clear, really, really clearly. And that was kind of creepy, to be honest. But I'm pretty sure wherever he is, there's a bell tower somewhere nearby. So he put in the captions, "Hell's Bells." It's kind of funny. I guess you could say he's kind of superstitious. I don't know. But he's pretty interesting. I like him. But yesterday we were supposed to get Mitch's car back from the shop. But the snow kind of ruined that, so yeah. It didn't quite happen like we wanted it to. And I'm having to chauffeur him around. And I'm not a morning person, so I snap at him a lot. And I don't really mean to. I did warn him that I was not a morning person when I started the chauffeuring thing. And he now sees what he's having to do with... Did that go there? Whatever, it's going there now. Jump, 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 hey, oh, hey. I'm sorry, I'm kind of bored right now. I got roughly 6.5 hours of sleep, so... my commentary is really dry right now. I'm so sorry, but I just kind of randomly started recording right now. And oh, Jesus Christ, I almost fell. I guess I shouldn't have, because I'm kind of motivated to do this build. I'm not really that motivated to do this build. I was actually testing myself to see if I could do this build in beta, and it's so hard. Oh my god. Like, it's so hard to do this build in beta. It's ridiculous. But I'm trying to finish up the outline of the house before I start on the floors. How did those two guys get in here? It's so lit. Actually, it's not really lit up at all. What am I talking about? But I think this is going to be a really interesting kind of house, maybe. Maybe. I really built this way too big than the picture in it, so I'm going to be probably rebuilding this, most definitely. When we get out of beta and we get into the full release, I'm going to be rebuilding this because when we get out of beta and we go into the full release, we will get our slabs 2 at a time back that we used. So I'm really happy about that. It might not sound like it, but I'm extremely happy. So I want every one of these slabs back. Cause I don't even know how many slabs I've used so far. That's the bad part. And I thought I was gonna ruin this waterfall, when I was building this house. But I didn't, so yay. You're having fun down there? Okay. So I haven't really built anything new lately on my flat world or anything like that. I kinda wish I did, but I didn't. So I'm not going to. This is really starting to take shape. These 2 little triangles are 2 decks. So, just so y'all know. I don't know if y'all remember how this build went. And the other on the world. So then this has got to be walls. It's gonna be walls. Oh, I just remembered. I can't do this! I thought I was gonna be smart, and I'm not. Oh, I can't finish these walls because I can't hook them up to anything above them. Dang it, Minecraft. Why? Why? Why, Minecraft? Whatever. This house is gonna look very odd when there's a clear lip of blocks missing from the wall. But you know what? I'm so fed up with this now that I don't really want to do this. Whee! Alright guys, this was just an update video for y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed. I'm sorry I haven't been putting out anything lately. I'm about to die. But it suits me because I'm an idiot for not realizing that could happen! Alright guys, I will see y'all later. Until next time. Bye guys. I'm so sleepy, oh my god. I need to break that. Hiya.